Well, hello, just another short video from yours truly. If you have a second, please check out bitcoinworms.com. This is where I've put a lot of the recursive information that I was doing about submitting your own collection using recursive. If you want to learn more about that, have a look on the site. You can find out more there. What we're going to be looking at today here is trying to replace a GIF on chain by using a little bit of HTML and a little bit of Java. Now, the reason why I'm going to try and do this is because I've put a GIF on chain before, and it costs quite a bit because obviously it's a moving image, and it's just costly. JPEGs are costly, PNGs are costly. So is there a way to make this cheaper for people to do? Yeah, I believe there is. So what we're going to do here is we have a small image container, 400 by 400 pixels, and then I have basically given a link to the images that I want to use, which are the 5 images that make a GIF. I've done this once before, very early days when I was learning how to make, how to list a collection through Git. I made a very small PNG that's basically, it's 5 images and the 6th image is a GIF. And I put them on chain. I listed the collection through Ordinals wallet using Git. It's never been for sale, it's not for sale, it was for that reason so that I could learn how to do that process. Now, in that, I got five images on chain that make a GIF. So I thought, well, I could use Recursion, couldn't I? And then use a small script to basically hold these at 9.9 frames a second, which is what it needs to be for roughly for the GIF that I was using. You might have to change it yourself, but you can copy this code. I'll put it down below. It's just, this is the script here, you can see. After it's closed this container here, a little bit of a script container here, very small piece of script, just to show the image, indexing the image, and then putting it through to make sure that it is in an infinite loop. And then we close the script and close the HTML. Really nice little quick bit of code. What I'm going to do now is I've saved this as giftest.html, and I'm going to try and inscribe this on chain now right here in front of you. So navigate to your favourite inscribing place of choice. Mine is Unisat. You're going to press inscribe, then hover over this drop box here. And to inscribe with Unisat, it's really simple. You just press the box and pick the file that you want to inscribe. So we'll press it. And once you've opened it, you should be able to see it here. As you can see, I've called it giftest.html. It's a very small amount of data. So hopefully, if this works, we have just found a way to put a GIF on chain for $1. Let's find out together. I have my wallet connected, so we can just press submit and pay, and it should do this instantly for us. You're just going to press continue on the first transaction just to send the actual Bitcoin. This confirms it in your wallet. Now, something I would highly recommend doing here, no matter what the SAT fee is, put it on custom and drop that shit right down. You'll pay a bit less. Because as you'll see, once the transaction's actually been sent, $1, Unisat's API picks up that it's actually in the mempool, and it will say it'll start doing your inscription already for you anyway. So there's no need to pay a massive fee, because once they know the payment's coming, they'll start doing your inscription. One thing we can do with Unisat is they have a nice little function where you can peep at your inscription first. Another word to the wise, don't just press this because you will lose this page. What you want to do is right click and open this in a new window. And then open the window, of course. And success! It works. And we can see here, look, it's unconfirmed currently, but here we are. We can see my pixel link running on an orange background, animated perfectly. I'm quite happy with myself. But you can see here as well, it's text and HTML. This isn't a GIF. So yes, you can put a GIF on chain by using HTML, and I literally just figured it out right here in front of you and done it live in front of you. Just so you can see I'm not lying, here is my HTML document opened in a notepad where I was like practicing and see if it works. And it does. So yes, if you wanted to put a GIF on chain, rather than actually inscribing the GIF, which will cost a lot, what you could do, say if you wanted to do it like a stamp, for instance, is you could inscribe all 5 images that make the GIF, point to them using Recursion, and then you could then use that text HTML document to mint as many as you like, and it would result in this here, where you would have a HTML window that's displaying your image running as a GIF. So, perfection. I'm quite impressed. So yeah, if you like that and you want to see more content like this, then stay tuned. This is literally going to be just about Ordinals and Bitcoin Ordinals protocol kind of stuff and cool techie things you can do on it. So that's the kind of subject matter we're going to do on this channel. If you like the sound of that, feel free to subscribe and give us a like. Thanks very much.
That's all, folks.